You can't make this change at the moment. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on a device, and if not, then you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, launch the Play Store application and search for Facebook application over here. So make sure that you have the latest version of the application on a device. As you can see on the screen as well, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the application. So we're going to go back and then tap on the settings application over here and then scroll down to apps, then tap on manage apps and search for the Facebook application over here. Now as the app loads over here on the screen, you can just scroll down or you can search for the app from the search bar. I'm going to scroll down and then search for the Facebook application over here. So tap on it and then here you can see the option of permissions, app permissions. So just tap on it and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. After checking on that, go back and then tap on the clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. Now go back and your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.